we are doing such things are underground. What the heck? He will be finishing the OB for me. So go watch the next video because we just collab to his channel. Yeah, he is kind of hard. He is a noob. He noob.
Wow, what an honor. Nice to meet you. We played together today. That's funny. Who am I really playing? This is a pro-am happy. This golfer is playing with a celebrity.
Okay.
Wow.
We cannot pin.
I won this thing. I'd like to win again this year. All right, I'll do my best.
Okay. We cannot do this anymore, but we are doing the dance. This is the dance. If you want to copy it, like this slash e dance. Yeah. I'm gonna come this way. Bye. Yeah, I'm sorry. He posted too. I'm sorry, we're sorry. We're gonna do this in 3, 2, 1. Tacos from under the sky. Tacos. All you can eat, Radis and Joe's. Cheese and meat, it's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Okay, we are moving on to the next game because we are getting. Just stay tuned to part 2. Okay. Hey, flying back! Hey, you flying back. Pause your video, bro. Oh, shit. Pause your video. Okay. Bye. Stay tuned. What the hell? Part 2 is on his channel. Wait. We are in collab. Okay.